Hi guys, it's Katie from Salty Pearl Crochet, and today I'm going to show you how you can carry your yarn up the side of your striped hat so that you can reduce the amount of yarn ends you'll need to sew in. So normally when you crochet a striped hat, you would need to finish your row, cut your yarn, and then sew in the yarn end, and then attach a new yarn, sew in that yarn end, and so on and so forth. But as you see here, you really are only carrying your yarn just a short way. It's not going to get tangled with anything, and it's going to save you so much time on your projects. Let's show you how. So I have the start of a hat here, and I have worked 3 rows, and I've done everything except the final slip stitch. So now I am ready to change colors. So how I'm going to do that is find my yarn end here, and I'm going to insert my hook through the final stitch, and instead of using this one to make a slip stitch, I am going to create a slip knot on my hook here, and then get that to the right size, maybe a little bit loose, and I am going to pull that through instead. Now I am going to tug this old blue yarn to get it nice and tight, but then I'm just gonna let it fall there. And I'm gonna do my chain 2 as a turning chain, and then I'm gonna continue the pattern of my hat as normal, which is just a double crochet in every stitch around for this row. So as you can see, I'm just letting these 2 kind of hang out here. Now for this initial knot, I do like to tie the first one in a little knot, and that keeps everything more secure. Just cross and pull through twice to make a little tiny square knot. Get that tight. But then we're just gonna let those chill there and continue with our hat pattern. So I'm gonna crochet this row and meet you on the other side. Alright, now I'm at my last stitch before the end of the row. I'm gonna complete my double crochet, and then I am going to insert my hook into the stitch that I'm going to slip stitch to and drop my charcoal colored yarn. And I'm going to untwist everything, pick this one up, and complete the slip stitch with the blue again. And I'm going to check everything in here, pull it tight so it looks neat and tidy on the front here. Now I can complete my row of blue just the same way as before. And that is all there is to it. So you see the yarn just continues to twist up over itself, and it's going to stay neat and tidy inside your hat. I hope this tip helps you save a lot of time on your crochet hat projects. Like and subscribe for more videos like this one.